Let's make these pulled pork sliders. Oh my goodness.
Hello.
One thing about my baby, he loves to try my food as I am cooking. And I love him because one thing about it, kids gonna tell you if your food nasty or not. You like it?
That's good.
It's really good. Since my baby approves, let's get into it. So first, I'm going to clean my meat. I like to use vinegar and water. I know some people say you're not supposed to use vinegar, but hey, we're still alive. So anyhow, here I am cutting the fat off of my chicken. I do not like any type of fat on my meat. I don't know, I'm just funny about that. It's just the texture that, I don't know, I just don't like it. So I'm cutting the fat off. I do need a new pair of kitchen scissors because these are dull. So here I was struggling a bit, but you know, they got the job done. So I'm gonna drain this water off. Well, not water, but drain the vinegar off and then rinse my meat again with some water and then drain that. So once I drain the water off, I do like to dry my chicken or any type of meat that I wash. I like to dry it completely so that way when I season my meat, that seasoning sticks on there. I feel like when your meat is wet, the season doesn't really, stick like that. So here I'm just using some paper towels to dry off my meat. Okay, so after I get done drying my chicken, I am going to be cooking this dish in a crock pot. So I'm going to put my chicken in the crock pot and I'm going to season my chicken in the crock pot. So I'm using seasoning salt, garlic powder, chicken seasoning, and I also like to use Creole seasoning, which I did not show. I don't use a lot of Creole seasoning because it does have a little kick to it and my baby don't like anything spicy. So I'm just going to turn my meat over and make sure I season the other side of the chicken just as well as I did the front side of the chicken. I'm using the same exact seasonings that I used before. So now I'm going to add a little bit of onions, not too much. And next we're going to add this delicious, amazing barbecue sauce, y'all. This is my favorite barbecue sauce. It is the Carolina Gold. Oh my gosh, it is amazing. I am going to cook this chicken on high for about an hour and a half. And now I am going to pull my chicken apart. Y'all, when I tell you it was smelling so good. Oh my goodness. It was smelling good, looking good, all of that. So yes, I'm just pulling my chicken apart. And once I pull it apart, I'm going to cook it a little bit longer for maybe about 20 minutes or so, just so that the barbecue sauce can really soak up in the meat. So once that is done, y'all, I am going to add my pulled chicken to my Hawaiian rolls. And let me tell you guys, so one thing that I learned was that Hawaiian rolls are supposed to be like heated before you serve them. And I did not know that. I've been eating them right out the pack. I mean, they are amazing right out the pack. But anyways, I'm going to add the pulled chicken to the rolls. And y'all, when I tell you, this is such a delicious appetizer. I enjoyed this so much, and so did my little one. And I'm sure you and your family will enjoy it as well. So I would like to thank you guys for watching my video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.